Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn next practice set, that is practice set 36. Previously we have learned all the other practice sets of chapter algebraic expressions and operations on them, and today I am going to show you how to solve the next exercise, that is practice set 36. Okay, so the first sum is simplify. As you can see, I have written the question 3x minus 11y minus 17x plus 13y, and in your textbook you can see that they have given the options also. First I will solve the sum and let's see which option we will get as the answer. Okay, so as you all know how we have to solve, we have to open the brackets. So I will write 3x minus 11y minus 17x, and this plus and this minus and plus will become minus 13y. Okay, now what we will do, we will do the grouping. This 3x and minus 17x we will put together. So 3x minus 17x, then minus 11y and minus 13y we will put together. Okay, now we will solve first these two and then these two. So 3 minus 17 we have to do. Okay, so that will give us 14x, but since we are subtracting smaller number from greater number, we will put minus sign, then minus and minus will be plus, so we have to add this two. Okay, so 11 plus 13 will give us 24y, but what sign you will put here? Greater number sign, that is minus. So our answer is minus 14x minus 24y. But if you see in the options, this option is not there, so we have to think what can we do. Yes, so you can see here 14 and 24, both the numbers are divisible by 2. Yes, so 14 we can write as 2 into 7, and this we can write as 2 into 12. So now what is common in both of them? Yes, 2 is common, so we will write 2, and minus sign is also common, so we will put minus 2 outside. So what will remain inside the bracket? Here we have removed 2, so 7 remains and x remains. Then as we have removed the minus sign outside, we will get here plus, and as we have removed 2 outside, so what remains inside? 12 and y. So this is the answer. So you can see this, it is there in the option also. So the answer is option number 4. Okay, is it clear? Now the second sum, students, the second sum you can see the product means we have to multiply. Okay, the product of 23x square y cube z and minus 15 x cube y z square is dash. So first we have to multiply, right? So I will write down over here 23 x square y cube z. What we have to do? Multiply. So I will put the symbol of multiplication, minus 15 x cube y z square. So what you have to do? You have to do the multiplication. Okay, so you can make a rough column and you can multiply over here 23 into 15. So what you will get? 5 3s are 15, 1 is the carryover, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11, then 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2. So I will get 5 4 3, and as minus sign is there, so we have to put the minus sign. Okay, so the answer is minus 345, but we have to multiply the variables also. So you can see here x square and x cube. So we will write x, and 2 and 3, what we will do? We will add. Okay, so what we will get? X raised to 5. Next is y cube and y. So we will first write y, here cube and here there is nothing, means power is 1. So 3 plus 1 we will get 4. And last is z into z square. So we will write z, and here nothing means 1. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. So this is the final answer. Minus 345, x raised to 5, y raised to 4, z raised to 3. So you can see in your textbook which option is this. Yes, this is option number 1. So the answer is option 1. Is it clear, students? Now see the next sum, students. 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 upon 2. Yes, I have shown you this type of sums. So let's do. 4x will remain here only. Yes, left hand side this thing will remain here, and right hand side 9 upon 2 will remain here. What we will do? The plus 1 upon 2. Yes, this we will move to this side. When plus will come to this side, it will become minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So we have to do the shifting. We have to bring this over here. So it will become minus 1 upon 2. So now what we will get? As the denominators are common, we will write it once, 2. Okay. Only one time we will write, and in the numerator 9 minus 1. Yes. So we will get 9 minus 1, 8 upon 2. And this side will remain as it is. Okay. So what we got? 4x equal to 8 upon 2. So now we can divide this to 2 ones are 2 fours are. So finally what we got? 4x is equal to 4. Yes. So now x we will keep here only, and we will bring this 4 this side and divide. So it will become 4 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 ones are 4. So what is the final answer? Therefore x is equal to 1. So this is the final answer. Now I am solving the third sum. You can see here 5m minus 4 equal to 1. So what we have to do? 5m will remain here only. 1 will also remain here only. We have to shift the number with the sign. Okay. So minus 4 will come to this side and it will become plus 4. Okay. So 5m is equal to 4 plus 1 will be 5. Now it's very simple. M will remain here and this 5 will also remain here. Bring it this side and divide. Okay. This 5 will come over here and we will divide. So it will be m equal to 5 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. So therefore m is equal to 1. It is as simple as that. I hope you will solve the remaining sums. They are very easy. Yes, if it is plus, you have to bring this side and you have to subtract, and if it is minus, you have to go to that side, bring that number over next side and you have to add. Okay students, thank you.